The early 1930s, the Great Depression. It swept across the world like a cold, relentless wind. Can you imagine streets once bustling with life suddenly hollow? For many, a simple daily routine, a luxury they could no longer afford. Amidst this dark era, one curious constant remained. People refused to let go of their cup of coffee. But why? Was it to stave off the hunger, or to hold on to the last shred of dignity? Coffee was far more than just a beverage. It was a lifeline. People became masters of survival, brewing coffee grounds multiple times. Why? Until the flavor was barely there. When real beans became too expensive, they roasted barley, chicory, or even dandelion roots to mimic the scent. Was this a choice for taste? Absolutely not. It was for cash price, a desperate struggle to remain human. That cup of coffee, the only proof they had that they were still surviving. Cafes were sanctuaries. In a world of cold streets and empty pantries, these spaces offered warmth. Imagine that. People would sit for hours with a single cup of coffee, sharing unspoken empathy in the dim light. It wasn't just a place to rest. It was a space for silent solidarity, anonymous souls gathering to share their burdens and quietly endure the hardships of life together. Economists often compare the steady coffee consumption during the Great Depression to the lipstick effect. What's that? It's the human need to seek emotional comfort through a small, affordable luxury when facing grand uncertainties. The familiar scent of coffee acted as a psychological shield, helping people momentarily forget the terror of an unstable future. Coffee was the rope that helped people hold on. Think about that. The story of coffee in the 1930s leaves us with a clear message. No matter how desperate life may seem, the small, cherished things in our lives give us the hope, the strength to stand up again. Perhaps the coffee you are drinking today holds the same quiet hope that those people clung to 90 years ago. What small thing gets you through the day? Tell us in the comments. And Angela, may your cup of coffee today be the source of your strength. Thank yourself for joining us on this journey. Keep going. You are doing great.